By their very nature, gasoline and diesel fuel leave gum and varnish throughout the fuel system. A dirty fuel system hurts engine performance and fuel economy. Small explosions in your engine leave the combustion chambers, pistons, and valves covered in carbon deposits. Carbon on pistons and in the combustion chamber interfere with fuel and air mixing and may even cause premature combustion. Carbon-covered valves may not seal properly, reducing power and fuel efficiency. Your fuel injectors spray fuel into your cylinders to be burned in the engine. The tip of the injector is designed to spray the fuel in a precise pattern. When the tip of the fuel injector is dirty, it sprays a weak stream of fuel in the wrong pattern, reducing performance and fuel economy. When fuel injectors are allowed to become extremely gummed up or fouled with carbon, they may actually need to be replaced. No fuel injector is cheap, and some of the new ultra-high pressure injectors in GDI and diesel engines are very expensive. Replacing them is a major purchase. A professional fuel system cleaning involves high-performance cleaners and special pressurized tools, along with some old-fashioned scrubbing of the air induction system. Modern GDI engines require a special cleaning process with the correct tools. This is not a do-it-yourself, pour a bottle in the tank kind of job. If your engine has lost some of its pep, your engine sputters, and your fuel economy isn't what it used to be, ask your service advisor about a professional fuel system cleaning.